Welcome, this is Shabir Khan. This is our first session of Business Objects Administration, and this is 101 of CMC, CMS, CCM. We're going to see what are these terms. So let's go to the virtual machine, and I want to demonstrate here that when you have, let's say for example, you have evaluation copy of business objects also, and you want to make sure all of the program is running, all meaning business objects server, and you want to build some reports using web intelligence. So how do you see if your BO server is up and running? So for that, what you do is you go to your start bar program, and under BI platform 4, you click on CCM, Central Configuration Manager. This is a desktop application installed on usually BO administrators have it, it's installed on their computer, and when you click on that, it shows that Apache Tomcat is running and server intelligence agent is also running successfully. In the belly of SIA, there are many other services running which are from SAP Business Objects, and all these services are run or managed by Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat is an application server. Many companies make application server. There are WebSphere, there used to be WebSphere, WebLogic. Microsoft has its own IIS, Internet Information Server, it used to be called. So how do you see whether your SIA is running all of the required services? So you click on this icon, which is called Manage Servers, and you type password. Usually BO administrators do it, but because we are learning business objects on an evaluation copy, we want to learn tiny administration aspect of business objects also. So if I type my ID and password, it's going to show all of the services which are running under SIA, and out of these services, this first service, which is or after sorting it has come here, Central Management Server, CMS, is the brain of Business Object Server, without which Business Object Server goes down and you cannot do anything if this server stops. You see it says running here, right? You can manually stop, restart, you can disable it completely. So an example of business objects is of a restaurant where different kitchens are there for different cuisine, French cuisine, Italian, Asian, Chinese, Japanese. So whenever you need a dish, let's say you want biryani, obviously that order will go to Indian cuisine, which cooks biryani. Or if you need sushi, obviously it will go to Japanese cuisine, and they will cook your sushi and give it to you. As a customer, when you order different dishes, they will be given to different kitchens, right, in a big restaurant. Same way, when a crystal report needs data or some activity related to crystal report is done, these are the services which will serve that request in the report. Whenever you do sorting, ranking, or filtering data, or you're fetching data, these are the 4 services which will fetch data. If you do reporting in web intelligence, these are the 2 services which will be needed. And there are some core services without which BO will not run. So input, output, CMS, adaptive processing, job server, connection server, and many more others are also there which are not installed. They fall under core services, meaning they are the essential services of business objects. So let me explain to you using Excel. Let's say this is my BO server, right? And my CCM is desktop application with many administration capabilities. If I want to do a little bit of admin work, I will launch my CCM application, and then you saw CMS. So CMS is like a 5-star hotel's reception, right? And without reception, people cannot check in, check out, and whenever you need something, you call from your room, right? reception and you tell them, can you send me a couple of pillows extra, or blanket, or whatever a client needs within the hotel, he calls CMS, and then CMS sees who can serve you, right? Who is the concerned department. Same way, this is the brain of business objects. A 5-star hotel may stop functioning if CMS or the reception of that hotel goes down. Yeah. So in this case, a lot of people get confused with these three words: CMS, CCM, CMC. So please understand, CMS is a service in the business objects set of servers, and that is the brain of the business object servers. And these are the two programs through which you manage services. So you have many more services here which I have not written yet. So this is Shabir Khan, and you can go to YouTube. My YouTube channel is Shabir Khan 1140, like this, and I'm going to load all of these videos there.